Okay, to test the liquid pump RPM sensor on the SCS 4400, we need to first make sure we have our pump cal figure set at 1. So we press the data menu button, go to product, use the up and down arrows to scroll through until you see pump RPM cal should be 1. Once we have this at 1, we can go back to the home screen by pressing either button at the top, and we'll have an RPM readout in the right hand column. We now need to go down to the sensor and make sure it's connected via the 2-pin weather pack, and we'll take a magnet and wave it past the end of the sensor. On this end here it needs to wave past, so we have the magnet, wave it past the sensor, and it should be an RPM reading on the console. If there is no RPM reading on the console and we want to check that the cabling is still fine, then disconnect the RPM sensor and we take a jumper wire, place it into one of the pins in the 2-pin connector, and now just simply tap it onto the other pin in the connector and it should be reading RPM on the screen. If there is still no RPM readout on the screen, the cabling will be faulty.